everyone, welcome to my home style cooking channel. Today we're gonna make a paratha. It is an Indian flatbread and it's really nice for breakfast, and normally for Indian they eat any time of the day. This is very important for the Indian cuisine. So as a Filipino living here in Middle East for almost 10 years, so I was influenced with the Indian cuisine and I really like this. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make paratha at home. To start with, we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Alright, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. We'll just make a hole on the center. 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. The water is depending on the kinds of the flour. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Normally for the Indian cuisine they use ghee, but for me I use olive oil. It is healthier. Alright. So this is the way how to make at home without dough mixer. Just follow the techniques how to knead the dough. And now we will proceed for the next techniques how to knead the dough without dough mixer. The purpose of this one is to develop the gluten quickly. And I'll just go for alternate. The roll over, push roll over, and then spread. Alright, now after 10 to 12 minutes, the dough has been elastic already. So what we're gonna do is we need to rest for 30 to 45 minutes. We cover it with clinker. Alright, so the dough has been rested already. So now we're gonna portion it. Olive oil on there. So now the next step is we're gonna fold it. So we have to stretch the dough very thin, like this way. Now, we gonna spread butter on it to create a layer on the paratha and become crispy. And then, a little bit flour on it. And now we proceed for folding. Alright. So flatten the dough. Then spread butter on it. You guys, if you have vegetables oil, or normally for Indian they use ghee, but for me I like to use butter. And then a little bit flour on it. And then now start for folding. The purpose of folding is to create a layer on the paratha. Yeah. And then now you make like this way. And then tuck in. Then arrange on the tray. It's nice to be put in the fridge so that the butter will set inside. So to flatten the dough, you need corn oil, vegetable oil, or ghee on the surface, on the table surface. As you can see, this is the layer. Should be like this. And now we start for cooking paratha. Olive oil or canola oil on it. Our paratha. We'll just wait until golden brown on the side. Let's see. Wow, it's nice. It's nicely golden brown on the crust. Alright, let's see both sides. it's done. Fresh on it. Alright, we need to turn down. The layer of it. Alright. Need to turn it now. Alright, it's done. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. Alright guys, we are done. So as you can see, it's very flaky. And then the layer on it. And then this one is really nice to eat in the breakfast with vegetable curry. We have to dig in now. It's nice. As you can see, it's very flaky. And then on it. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Happy cooking at home. And I'll see you on my next vlog.